What's something new that you learned from engaging in your service learning project?
That there are routes in the air, just like roads, that you need to take when you're flying.
Our project, it was to expose the children in our community to aviation, the jobs they could get, the uses of a drone, how to fly a drone.
If somebody were thinking about doing a service learning project, but they were a little intimidated or nervous about the grant, what would you say to them?
I would say they have to go for it. If you are afraid to step out, you're going to stay in that same place for a long time. And as a matter of fact, I wanted a change. I wanted improvement. I wanted to do better and do better for my students. And by being a part of it, I am very confident. I'm very excited. I actually have a second wind, to believe it or not, to do more, learn more, and reach out to this community because we have never been exposed to something